Hello everyone, do you want to make your battery always active? Today I will teach you how to maintain your battery healthy. Tips 1. Temperature spa management. What's a battery biggest fear? Hot and cold relationship. In summer, avoid the sun burner. 25 degrees is perfect. In winter, keep it warm, greater than 0 degree to prevent frostbite. Tips 2. Charging 80%. Rules. Charging is like drinking a milk tea. 100% full, it's too fast. 28% empty, too hungry. So it's better to keep between 30 to 80% and be a classical battery girl. Tip 3. Regular check-ups. Just like people need healthy check-ups, so do battery. Test voltage and test internal resistance. Catch small issues early and make your battery live longer. This is battery care expert Sophia, and see you next time.